Before operating this equipment, please read and understand the manuals to become familiar with the proper operations. To operate the drum transporter, first disengage the step-down floor lock by stepping down on the pedal located between the rear swivel casters. The brake is easy to engage or release and acts as a parking brake when the transporter is not in use. To prepare the unit to pick up a drum, step down on the smaller release pedal of the hydraulic cylinder so the clamping mechanism is fully lowered. Push the drum transporter to the corner of the pallet so the lower clamping jaw is below the drum's chime. Keep the clamping mechanism pressed tightly against the side of the drum and pump the larger foot pedal up and down until the lower clamping jaw engages with the chime of the drum. The weight of the drum will activate the mechanism, causing the upper jaw to clamp down on the chime, securing the drum. Only lift the drum to the minimum height before transporting it to its needed destination. Continue to pump the foot pedal, letting the pedal travel all the way up and pressing completely down to achieve the full 1-inch stroke. To lower the drum, press softly on the small pedal. The lowering pedal is pressure sensitive, allowing the operator to control the speed of descent. Pressing down too hard on the lowering pedal can cause the drum to lower rapidly. There is a specific procedure for clamping fiber drums. Please consult the manual for the best method for handling fiber drums. Your drum transporter is equipped with Darkcore ergonomic casters which decrease push and pull forces involved with moving heavy drums. This drum transporter features our spark-resistant stainless steel clamping option, which includes an anti-static grounding strap and a rubber belt which supports the lower side of the drum. To operate the drum dumper equipped with the manual forward clamp rotator, it is recommended to use the drum transporter to load the drum onto the drum dumper. Place the drum into the clamp saddle, then lower the drum into place so that the drum is positioned on the bracket foot. Pull the chain tightly and insert a chain link into a slot on the ratchet handle. Turn the ratchet handle clockwise, tightening the cinch chain around the drum. Next, engage the upper portion of the drum bracket as shown. The support bracket is recommended for plastic or fiber drums. The clamp does not require the support bracket for handling 55-gallon steel drums. With the air line attached to the drum dumper, open the valve to provide airflow to the air motor. Gently push the hydraulic valve forward to lift the drum to the minimum height required for transport, then move the drum dumper into position for dispensing. Never leave the unit unattended without applying the step-down floor lock. Leaving the unit unsecured may allow it to move inadvertently and cause property damage or personal injury. Remove the drum's lid or open the bungs. Once the drum is clamped and at the required location, lift the drum by pushing on the lever gently. This unit raises and lowers at a variable speed, which is determined by how much pressure is applied to the lever. Always turn off the air supply ball valve when the unit is not in use. This will prevent accelerated wear of the air motor. Rotate the self-stopping hand wheel counterclockwise to rotate the drum and begin dispensing. The clamp will rotate up to 180 degrees. An integrated tilt brake will hold the drum at the desired angle until rotated by the operator. When finished, rotate the hand wheel clockwise to bring the drum back to vertical. Re-engage the air line to permit lowering of the drum before moving. Pull on the handle to lower the drum at a controlled speed. Lower the drum as low as possible, disengage the floor lock, and move the dumper away from the tank. Re-engage the floor lock, lower the drum to the floor, and turn the air line off. Raise the upper drum support. Turn the ratchet assembly on the saddle clockwise enough to take the tooth off of the holding lock. Lift the spring-loaded holding lock up and out of the ratchet teeth and let the ratchet rotate counterclockwise to release the tension of the chain. Remove the chain from the ratchet and hook it into the storing slot provided to keep the chain from dragging on the floor. Again, remember to read and understand the contents of both manuals before using this equipment. Thank you for your EasyLift equipment purchase, and please feel free to contact us with any questions.